March as we installed Plantation shutters on this beautiful bay window. Plantation shutters are a fantastic choice for bay windows, displaying the shape of the window while providing light control, privacy and a clean, timeless finish. The style featured in this video are full height shutters with a mid-rail, finished in bright white with 76mm louvers and a hidden tilt rods. A popular option thanks to their full window coverage and excellent light control, this style works beautifully in any room, offering a sleek and cohesive look. As the frames are prepared and positioned, checks are made to ensure everything sits correctly within the bay, allowing the shutters to operate smoothly and look great once fitted. The shutter panels are then placed into the frames, instantly transforming the bay windows and bringing the space to life. Once installed, the shutters sit seamlessly within the window, following the angles of the bay for a tailored, built-in appearance. From the outside, they also create curb appeal, giving your home a uniform look that adds character and value. To complete the look, finishing touches are applied to ensure a crisp, professional appearance with decorator's cork. The result is a stylish and practical window solution that delivers privacy, light control and long-lasting quality, perfectly suited to bay windows.